In this problem, we were asked to find the surface area of a hexagonal pyramid. All pyramid surface area formulas are 1/2 PL plus big B. Since our base is a hexagon, we're going to modify that slightly. All regular polygons, hexagons included, we find their areas by doing 1/2 perimeter times the apothem. Okay, looking at what they give us. If our hexagon, roughly, has each side length being 8 inches, 8 times 6, the perimeter is going to be 48 inches. The slant height is given to us, that goes right in easily. So the only thing we have to actually try to find is the apothem, which in a hexagon, hopefully by now, is relatively easy. The triangle, this is always going to be 60 for a hexagon. When we draw on the apothem, it splits it and splits this. The base intersects. So the 4 is the short leg of that 30, 60, 90. So the apothem, or the long leg, is 4 rad 3. Running that all through your calculator, 334.3 inches squared is the surface area of that hexagonal pyramid. Okay, like the previous problem, we had a hexagonal pyramid. This one's a pentagonal pyramid, but same concepts for the most part are going to apply to this one as well. A couple of things. First off, we notice that we have the altitude of the entire pyramid and the slant height. Slant height is something I need right away. But I do not have the perimeter nor the apothem, so I do have to find those two things. It is a pentagon, so we will have to use trig. So the first thing I'm going to look at finding here is with this altitude and slant height, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find this length here, which is going to be the apothem. So in this case here, 10 squared minus 8 squared is going to equal the apothem squared, or 6 in this case. So the apothem is 6 inches long. With that, if I know that this is 6 inches long, I can go through, draw my triangle. In a pentagon, that angle is always going to be 72 degrees. So half of that is 36. It cuts that in half. So I can find the length of either one of those parts of the base by doing trig. In this case, tangent of 36 is going to equal opposite over adjacent. So if x is in the numerator, to get it by itself, multiply by 6, and there's the length of just this portion here. And again, that's going to be easy to make a mistake on from here. Don't stop. We got to keep going. If this portion here is 6 tangent of 36, I need the entire length, which would be double it. So all we would have to do is just change the coefficient of the tangent. Don't ever touch what's inside. So double that, we get 12. That is not the perimeter. That's what we're after. It's a pentagon, so 5 sides, so 12 times 5 is 60. And that's the perimeter. So 60 tangent of 36 goes in both of these places here. Running that all entirely through the calculator, the surface area of this pentagonal pyramid is going to be 348.7 inches squared.